Picture this. You're planning your dream trip, but flights are crazy expensive. Your suitcase is bursting at the seams, and navigating a new city feels like solving a Rubik's Cube. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to make travel simple, affordable, and even fun? In this video, I'm sharing 10 genius travel hacks that will not only save you money, but also take the stress out of your next trip. Stick around. Number 7 might just blow your mind and save your wallet. Book flights at the right time. Timing is everything. The best time to book domestic flights is 6 to 8 weeks before departure, while international flights are cheapest 3 to 6 months out. 1. Hack. Use Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices. 2. Pro tip. Set up price alerts and let the apps notify you when fares drop. Fly midweek for the best deals. Most people fly on weekends, so airlines hike up prices. Book your flights for a Tuesday or Wednesday to save big. 1. Bonus tip. Early morning or late night flights are often cheaper and less crowded. Pack light and smart extra baggage fees? No thank you. Pack only what you'll actually use. 1. Tricks. Roll your clothes to save space. Use packing cubes for easy organization. Wear your heaviest shoes and jacket to free up suitcase space. 2. Pro tip. Don't forget to pack a collapsible tote for souvenirs or overflow. Save big on accommodation. Hotels can drain your budget, so think outside the box. 1. Hack. Compare prices on Airbnb and Booking.com. 2. Look for last-minute deals or consider shared spaces like hostels for ultra-cheap stays. 3. Pro tip. If you're adventurous, try house-sitting platforms like Trusted House Sitters for free accommodation in exchange for pet sitting. Eat like a local, skip overpriced tourist restaurants, and dive into the local food scene. 1. Tips. Find authentic meals at street markets. Use Google Maps or TripAdvisor to filter restaurants popular with locals, not tourists. 2. Pro tip. Hit the grocery store for snacks and breakfast items. It's a lifesaver. Travel off-season. Traveling during peak season? Expect crowds and sky-high prices. Instead, visit destinations in their off-season. 1. Example. Europe is stunning in winter, and beaches are just as beautiful in early spring or late autumn. Download offline maps. Ever been lost in a foreign city with no Wi-Fi? That's a nightmare. 1. Solution. Download Google Maps or Maps.me offline maps before your trip. 1. You'll save data and always know where you're going. 2. Bonus tip. Use apps like Rome to Rio to compare all transportation options in one place. Use rewards and cashback apps. Travel credit cards are your best friend. Earn points, miles, and cashback on every purchase. 1. Top picks. Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture, or local equivalents. 2. Combine with apps like Rakuten or Honey for even more savings. Batch your travel essentials. Create a go-to travel kit with items you always need. 1. Universal charger, power bank, reusable water bottle, travel-sized toiletries, and a small first aid kit. 2. Hack. Keep it packed and ready so you're never scrambling before a trip. Reduce food and drink costs. 1. Bring an empty water bottle to fill up after airport security. 2. Pack snacks to avoid overpriced airport or tourist food. 3. Bonus tip. Many hotels offer free breakfast. Make the most of it. And there you have it. 10 hacks to save money and make your travels stress-free. Which tip are you most excited to try? Or do you have your own travel secret? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's make your next trip unforgettable without breaking the bank. Happy travels.